Yes, indeed. What is good, world? It is your motherfucking boy, The Session. I'm here to you on a Thursday evening. It is January the 13th, and I have some amazing news. I wanted to be one of the first people to report on this or to bring the news to YouTube, and that is that student loans, Navient, they didn't got their asses in trouble. Yes, indeed. Finally, the day has come. As a college graduate, a lot of us have student loans. I don't know if you have student loans, but what I need y'all to do is in the comments or in the live chat, whenever you see this, let us know if you have student loans. I know I damn sure have student loans. I want to give you all the news that I know about the student loans. And I want to let you know how, where I found this news out. I have the resources, everything on the screen. So first, if you're watching this during playback, I love you. If you, we got a couple people here live now. Chris Garcia, what up? Aunt Doc, what up? So all of you who are in here, I don't know if you got student loans, but if you do, you're going to want to hear this news. I'm not sure of the difference between subsidized loans and unsubsidized loans, but I know if you have Navient and if you have the bastard Sally Mae, oh, it's going to be a day for you. It's going to be a hell of a day for you. We got some good news. So look, what's up? Letting everybody come in here. What's good, everybody? So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to read the news that I have. This is going to be a fast video. It's going to be less than 10 minutes. I just had to bring the news to you. I feel like I'm one of the first people reporting live for this. So look, I got stuff typed down. Let me tell you right now what happened. The loan servicing giant, Navient. If you have student loans, what I need for y'all to do is in the chat, drop an emoji if you have a chat. Drop a butterfly emoji if you have student loans or you know someone directly impacted by student loans. I have thousands of dollars student loans. But listen to this. The loan servicing giant Navient has agreed to cancel $1.7 billion in student loan debts owed by roughly 66,000 borrowers as a part of a settlement announced Thursday. Guess what today is? Thursday. This was announced Thursday by 39 state attorneys general. The settlement ends a year-long legal fight. Okay, states that Navient faced two serious allegations. First, the company was accused of steering student borrowers into expensive forbearances. You're damn sure right. Instead of more flexible income-driven repayment plans. So, again, I'm not sure. Let me go back to the chat. Yeah, a lot of y'all do have student loans. Let's see here. I had Navient. They sold my loan to Aid Advantage. Tons of you have. I mean, I'm looking at all these things. I can't click them all, but there's a lot of you who have student loans. So keep the emojis coming if you have student loans, okay? Now, if you have Navient, I want you to type Nav below. So with Navient, they had the legal fight. It said here the company was accused of steering student borrowers into expensive forbearances. So for myself, I had to get forbearance. Damn near my second or third year out of college, probably my third year out, I was already having to pay $600 a month in student loans. And this was just for one loan. Like this shit was crazy, and most of the jobs that you're going to make, the average black man earns $42,500. So why would I go spend get $40, $50, $80,000 in debt to make 40 bands a year? It doesn't sound right? I'll read the comments in just a second. Okay, so listen to this. As a part of the settlement, Navient agreed to pay $95 million to states to offer affected borrowers some reimbursement, roughly $260 to each of the 350,000 borrowers. So when I heard this, I'm like, what the hell? We get all this to get $260? I'll go more into that in a second. The company also faced allegations that its predecessor, Sally Mae, got you, bitch ass. You thought you was gonna be slick, Sally. You out here taxing people for no reason. Books costing $2,000 and $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, and I had a book that cost $600 to learn how to cook fucking souffle. No, you're bugging. Okay, I went to college. From 2007 to 2011. So this is going to affect a lot of people who are around my age. People that's like, 28 to maybe, 35. 28 to 35. This will be good for you. The company also faced allegations with Sally Mae because they had subprime private loans to vulnerable borrowers who it knew were likely to default. So Sally Mae was literally giving loans out to people who they knew would default. Because you want to know how they knew? Because when you apply for student loans or FAFSA, whatever you pronounce the acronym, when you apply for this shit, they run your background, they run your family's background, whoever's a cosigner. They know everything about how much money you making. And as a 17, 18-year-old child, there's no way that you'll be able to pay this money back. It's very unlikely that you'll be able to pay this money back, nor do you know what you're signing up for 4 years after you're supposed to graduate. So it's all a rat race. You feel what I'm saying? This is all a rat race. I just want y'all to understand what's really going on. Okay? So Sally Mae's ass is caught too. It says here, these companies' decision to resolve these matters, which are based on unfounded claims, allow us to avoid the additional burden, expense, time, and distraction to prevail in court. So what they're saying is, we got caught, y'all caught us, we're going to give y'all some bread. Now, I'm going to share my screen with y'all. I'm going to read some of these comments, then I'm going to share the screen with you. It says, I will find the source. Yeah, I already know. We already said that. Sally Mae. Sally thought that she was slick. What stock would you say as a starter to gain 1,000 from it? Random question. I think you need to pick a company you believe in, but one thing I can say is you want to look at some ETFs. I got a video coming for you. I'll probably put it out Sunday. Top ETFs, and then I got another video with my top cannabis ETFs. So you'll love it. But ETFs, I can tell you're going to want to check them out. Bring that ass here, Sally. What are you talking about? Bring that ass here, Sally. Real rat. Sally Mae, you got some dues to pay. Now, I want to share my screen so I can show you this article I read. I got all my sources here. Navient is and has been continually focused on helping student loan borrowers understand and select the right payment options to fit their needs. So if you have any siblings, uncles, cousins, whatever, brothers that are probably around 27 years old to, 35, 36 years old, they probably have some loans with these companies because they were selling us the college dream. Now, let me pull up my article. Oh, here it is. Okay, so let me share my screen with y'all. Boom. I'll pull this up. All right, so look. I wanted to show you exactly where I got the information from. This is NPR. These are all, you know what NPR is. I don't have to speak too much. I don't have to say too much. This is NPR. Y'all know what NPR is. Navient reaches a deal to cancel $1.7 billion in student loan debts. Okay? Then you come over here. Then who gets forgiveness? According to Navient, the company will cancel the debt of the borrowers who originated loans largely between 2002 and 2010. And later, listen, y'all got to pay attention. 2002 and 2010, so that's 8-year span, and later defaulted and charged off. So even if you did have a loan or something with them and they defaulted it and sent it to someone else, I believe you also have an opportunity. Qualifying borrowers do not need to do anything to have their private debt canceled. So I go to this, and then I wanted to make sure, do our student loans get forgiven? Y'all can see my screen, right? Can y'all see everything? Man, that's crazy as fuck. I was literally on the FAFSA 2 right after high school a year ago. So look, peep game. That's why I told you I'm not ever paying my full student loans. They will get forgiven, and I'm not going to be the motherfucker that gave the government 100 racks. I promise you. So listen, it says the settlement requires, pay attention, Navient to forgive $1.7 billion in private student loan debt. I have literally probably myself, I'll probably have, I don't know, $25,000 in debt with them, to be honest with you. And it says here, the remaining balances, it will forgive $1.7 billion in private student loan, the remaining balances for 66,000 borrowers. Okay? Listen to what I'm saying. It will fully pay off 66,000 borrowers' debts. That's incredible. 66,000 people. And this is only the first step. And then for the additional people, it says plus it will distribute individual restitution payments of around $260 to 350,000 eligible federal loan borrowers who were placed in hardship forbearance. So it's going to forgive 66,000 people plus give an additional punk ass 260, but it's something. You feel me? So now I want to know in the chat live, what are your thoughts on this? Do you have loans in Navient? Do you know somebody who has loans in Navient? And how important this is, bro? Like, somehow I got elected into this finance field, which is cool with me. I always want to help the people and help myself. I've been speaking on this for some time. I've been speaking on student loans for some time. I've been speaking on what I believe college is here for. The times have changed. Look what the fuck is happening right here in front of our eyes. You are 66,000 borrowers are being forgiven. This is amazing. So look, I'm gonna read some of these comments and let's see what we got here. I mean, bro, you're right about the fast food, but my idea was to save a couple K's and invest half of it in some smart stock decisions for only if I had a trainer. Only if I had a trainer. I'm not sure what you mean, but look, it doesn't matter. If you put the money out, you have an opportunity to get that money forgiven, which means you don't have to pay any more debt. I have thousands left to pay. These people, like you don't understand. People have signed their lives away, essentially, working in a rat race to work a job where the average American is earning under 50 racks. You got 100 racks in debt. Like, come on now. It says here, where do I sign up? You don't have to do anything, Lachey. All it says here is that you have to just be around and they will cancel the debt for you. It says by July 2022. I am 50% newbie out of like 100. I don't really know which stocks to choose. Again, ETFs, be patient and wait for my video I have coming Sunday. Let's see. I signed my life away many moons ago. Okay. But yeah, that's the news I wanted to drop, man. Navient student loans, they are repaying 66,000 of us. This is a fucking fantastic day. This is fantastic news. I'm just so grateful. I pray in the chat and in the comments when y'all watch this on playback, you're grateful too, because this is a big day and this is the start. I really believe there's a lot of corruption and fraud shit going on. We can't talk too much about it, but we know what's going on. And you know, the light, you know, everything that's done in the dark will come to the light eventually. So I feel good. It's a W for the civilians. You know what I'm saying? W gang for the civilians. We won. This doesn't include all student loans, but Sallie Mae and Navient is a big part. So that's literally 50% of my debt will be, I pray, wiped away. By July 2022, I'm going to let y'all know. I'm going to have a suit on. I'm going to have my turtleneck on. I'm going to have my Kevin Samuel suit on. And I'm going to be waiting to get my shit, go ahead and expunge me. You dig what I'm saying? I'm going to put it on Instagram Live. I appreciate your info always, bro. Turning in to show love. Good job, Session. Hey. Mariah, you think more forgiveness is on the way? I really pray so. Listen, you got to understand the world sees this. They tried to settle outside of court because they got caught and gave them $170 billion. What you think they keep him? What you think is done in the dark that we don't know about? They just doing shit until they get caught. So there will be a time where I think that, you know, if you do have student loan, I'm never paying all of mine. They're going to have to forgive mine at some point. I'm going to be 60. I'm going to be the first millionaire with student loans, bro. No. You're not getting all my chicken. So that's where I'm at. This is your boy, The Session. I came live and direct to you. Navient, student loans, and Sallie Mae. Bring that ass here. You're caught. So this is the amazing news for the day. I got some great news coming out. NFT is about to be released. We're almost at 20,000 or followers, I guess, on TikTok. Everything is booming, man. I'm super grateful and appreciative of all y'all. She said, yeah, me too. I'm going to dance on grapes. So let me know how you feel below in the comments about this deal with student loan forgiveness. It's a joyous day. Right? I love you. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, and stay healthy. You did. Got to hold my hand there.